Hello Eric, this is Jeremy here at G-Force Power Sports. We are servicing your Suzuki King Quad today, and I'm about halfway through, so I want to go over a few things with you. So the air filter actually looks pretty clean. I've blown it out. It's a paper filter. It's actually serviceable. We will load test your battery overnight. And a few things I did want to show you. The running issue. This was the spark plug I pulled out of it. So obviously at one point in time it had been swamped, or maybe the cap wasn't on correctly, and that is the aftermath of it. So the things I do want to go over with you real quick: the brake fluid, as you can see how dark and almost black it is. I've actually poured some fresh here. So this is what it should look like. And it's just easy to compare the two, as opposed to, we do have meters, but when they're at this point, it's just easier to show you the difference on that. So I'd like to recommend a brake flush. This particular unit only has front hydraulic brakes, so it'll only be the fronts that we flush. Now if we come around here to the back, this particular unit also has internal wet brakes. And I got a little piece of paper here, I'll show you how dark that is. And basically we recommend replacing this oil more frequently, because it does have the brake material in it, as opposed to just a regular differential. On the front here, I have the coolant. It actually says it's good to -20, but this does look like the original Suzuki coolant. And what our concern is once it's over about 2-3 years old, even though the viscosity is correct for the coolant, the pH of it is high, and what that does is wear your water pump seals and hoses and things like that. So they recommend flushing every 2 to 3 years on the coolant. And got this pulled up over here. On the service intervals, the unit has about 13 and some change on it for mileage, and as you can see right here, final drive oil right here, you're right at the 1200 mark. So it is all lining up for possibly a full service. I'm going to put these recommendations on my list, and I'll shoot you this video. If you have any questions, Eric, give us a call, or if you'd like to move forward with these repairs, give us a call. Thank you.